All right, math fans, this is Unit 6A. I know it says Chapter 11, but whatever. This is Unit 6A for circles. So we're just going to march through this real quick. They say that angle, remember this is an angle, so angle WCX, WC to X, that angle is 102 degrees. So that means any arc it makes is also a measure of 102 degrees. So they want to know from Y to Z, arc Y to Z, that's an arc. So the measure of arc Y to Z is 102 degrees. Cool, just what it is. It's a central angle, so at any angle that's got a vertex in the center, the arc is the same distance, the same size. This sucker, so, wow, let's just start figuring this out. So if this is 19, then this right here is double that, so that's 38. This is half the circle right here, so don't scratch that out. So if this is 38, that's got to be the rest of the 180 because it's 180 around the circle. So 180 minus 38, 180 minus 38. My calculator work right. It's 142. So this is 142. Erase that real quick. Which means this angle right here is, again, that's an inscribed, so there's the arc it makes. So that's half of that, so that's 71. This angle is 90 degrees because this side goes through the middle, so that's 90 degrees. That's a right angle, which honestly you could have gone 71 plus 19 minus 180. So subtracting from 180, you'd have gotten 90 anyways. All right, let's keep rolling. What else do we know? Did they tell us anything about these? F, G, H, E, D. Oh, that's parallel. We haven't really talked about that. These are parallel, and so that's a transversal to those two parallel lines. So if that's 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees, which means this is, if this is 71, that's got to be 19. Wow. Which this is an inscribed angle for that, so double that one, so that's got to be 38. This is an interior angle to that one, so they're the same, so this is also 38. This is 180 degrees, so 180 minus 38 is like 122. Oh, I got to do that. 180 minus 38. I don't think that's 122. 142. 142. Which means this sucker right there, let's do that. 142 minus 19. 142 plus 19. So plus 19 is 161. 180 minus 161 will give us this sucker, which is also 19. Blow that up a little bit. Draw it a little bit cleaner. So this is 142. This is 19. This is 19, not 1.9. This is 19. If this is angle 142, this arc is also the same. So this arc out here is 142. But this is an inscribed angle. That means the angle is half of the arc. So 142 divided by 2 is again, so H is 71 degrees. So we've gone all the way around and labeled everything, which that was a bit of a beast. And so now we just start filling out. So A is 142. B we found was 90. C was also 142. D is 38. E is also 38. F is 19. G, where was G? G was right there. G was also 19. H is 71. Is that all they're asking for? Yep. So that's it. But again, you notice how we just started with something we knew and we slowly worked our way around until we found everything. All right, that's just how you got to do this. All right, last one. We'll knock this one out real fast, and then we'll stop the video. So arc AE is 5x plus 6, so that's 5x plus 6. ED is 4x minus 24, 4x minus 24. And my thing is wobbling like crazy. I got to fix that before it drives me crazy. 4x minus 24. which I can already see how to get x. That's kind of interesting. DC is 3x minus 8. DC is 3x minus 8. And arc BA is 2x plus 20, so 2x plus 20 is that arc. All right, so I can already see three ways of doing this. Either A, you notice how these arcs are vertical, these angles are vertical angles. Therefore, those arcs equal each other, so that's 2x plus 20 equals 4x minus 24. I'll just show another way of doing this in the case that's how you see it. I've been trying to tell you all to see half circles. So if I scratch that out, this is a half circle, which means it's 180 degrees. So if I add up 5x plus 6 and 4x minus 24, that should be the 180 degrees. So you could do 5x plus 6 plus 4x minus 24 equals 180 degrees. Both of those are perfectly legitimate ways of doing this. I'm going to do it the other way because I like my way better, but whatever. So we go, let's subtract the 2x. Let's add the 24. So that's 2x, which that's an x right there, equals 44. X has to equal 22, and you should get 22 no matter which way you do it. Cool. And they also say they want CE. C to E. That distance right there. So that is, I'm going to go ahead and combine things. That's 3x and 4x. That makes 7x. Which x is 22. So let's go ahead and put the 22 in there for x. And I got a negative 8 and a negative 24. So that makes a negative 32. So here we go. 7 times 22 minus 32 equals 122. So C to E is 122 degrees. All right, that's the first page.